Alright, what's up? Good morning. Oh man. Another day. What do we got here on the scans? Leading gapper. STSS. Leading gapper STSS. Pull that up. Up 57%. Penny stock. Up 57%. Do we have news on it? Sharp Technology receives $30 million purchase order from prefillable copolymer syringes to be manufactured at SC facility. Pretty decent catalyst, $30 million purchase order, a significant amount. Nice sales agreements there. So I like STSS. Let's take a look here at the float. We have been getting the theme of penny stocks the past few weeks and months, so maybe STSS can give us something nice. STSS. The amount of ads on FinViz is starting to get crazy. Oh my gosh, literally every single thing, every single time I click on this website, there's an ad. STSS. Holy crap. Every time I actually click on let's say I click on search, there's an ad that comes up, and then I click enter, and then an ad comes up. There's 5 gazillion ads on here. So 21 million share float. 21 million share float. Not super small, but we do have a low stock price, so we'll be able to churn the float much faster. So I'd still think it's pretty decent. Could be in play today. As far as longer time frames, let's take a look here at what happened back here. I'll pull up the 30-day chart. I guess I did trade this. Okay, so what are we at here? 50 cents or so we topped out. 50 cents. Yeah, so we're up here. So yeah, we'd have to break here 54, squeeze out, and yeah, make a pretty strong leg here up to 85. And then we have another high, double top, yeah, 85. So triple top here at 85. So that's definitely gonna be the first target here at 85. There could be some resistance here at 60 because it was support and now acting as resistance. We did break over here, but looks like we did have the support here breaking down, so it may have some resistance here at 60. But major resistance up here at 82. But if we get up there, it's likely we'll squeeze out. Good morning, Pete Johnson. Good morning, Chad. Good morning, Peter. What's up? What's up? You have the 200 EMA at 45 cents, so hanging at the 200 EMA here on the daily, which is good. Finding support there, hopefully. We can hold that level. 180-day 200 EMA, we're way over, so don't need to worry about that. So larger time frames looking decent. If we can make a move here up to 80 cents, after 80 cents, then we're looking at the big dollar. The big old dollar. That's always a nice breakout for that break over a dollar. Usually you can get a nice percentage gain there. So if we can get up there, that would be nice. It's not too far off, only 50 cents. We've seen it happen before. But this really does have to have some major volume at the open. Right now, it's already churning 1 million to 1.5 million shares at the high volume candles pre-market, which is good. So what I like to do is multiply that by 3, and that'll roughly give you the average 1 minute, average volume per 1 minute candle for the first 15 minutes or so at the open. If it continues to be a volume leading stock here at the open. So, I could expect at least 4 million shares. I'd say about 4 million shares per 1 minute candle at the open, which is more than enough to make a good move here. Joe, what's up? Drew Marsh, good morning. 1 minute trader, BRTX. Let's take a look here. BRTX. 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 Do we have news on this? Substantive discussion for potential license agreement for thermosystem or thermostem metabolic disease program. So it looks like in discussion for a license with a regenerative medicine firm. Catalyst is pretty decent. Volume though is a little inconsistent. We'll see if we can break out here to over $2. We're forming like sort of like an ascending channel. If we break out to the upside, we could see a breakthrough too. But we got to hold the channel here and then eventually squeeze out. So far, no word on Dash Trader. They were supposed to have it live on Monday, but it looks like Schwab is still dragging their feet. Just terrible. So still using Thinkorswim orders. LGVN. Yes, I was looking at LGVN. My scanner's not working again. LGVN. Okay, there we go. BRTX, STSS, BRTX, NCI was another one. Yeah, LGVN, maybe day 2, continuation. This was probably one of the leading runners for yesterday. It was very tricky to trade though. Very, very tricky to trade. The bid drops are just absolutely insane. It was just like teleport, 3 cents, 4 cents down. I think I was maybe small green on that. I was actually flat yesterday, so no I didn't make a recap. But what's up, Fulton? Sup. LGVN here, maybe day 2. I don't see any fresh news as far as today or this morning. We're gonna be able to hold this, maybe. I mean, this trend is actually moving back even farther, right? Yeah. So maybe we can hold that and curl up. As far as larger time frames, let's see here. Doesn't look terrible. We have some levels here at 350, 420. And 550. Prefer not to trade LGVN just because it was very tricky to trade yesterday. You really had to buy. You had to buy the flash dips. Like the bids were just flashed like 4 cents down, just like seemingly randomly without you weren't able to get out, like small loss, or just like automatic 4 cents loss on these bid drops. The way to be profitable is that you had to wait for those bid drops and then buy the bid drop and then take your 2 cents as it kind of popped back up. But it's tricky. Definitely tricky. Going for breakouts are tough. Breakouts are very tough on LGVN. A lot of topping tails, yeah. I see that here. STSS. Yeah, I like STSS. I mean, it looks good, it's fresh, it's got nice news. You also have NCI, another penny stock. Another penny stock here. 92 cents. No news. No news. But if we break back over $1, $1.10, then I'll be interested. STSS running. I wouldn't say it's running, but we're consolidating here. We're consolidating, which is good. We're holding the 200 EMA here on the daily chart, which is good. 200 EMA is at 45 cents. If we can hold here, maybe we can see an opening surge. I'll put an alert just in case, like it does, like maybe flush at the open and then curl back up and I'm not looking at it, just so that I'm alerted before the breakout. Good luck out there. Thanks, Lawrence. Good luck to you. Tesla, looking very good lately. Decent past 2 days. I was looking at this on this day. What was the low here? I was thinking a bigger dip. I thought it would clear this low a little bit farther. This low is 167.75. This went to, yeah. So this only broke the low by 30 cents. This previous low here and then popped back up. Whoops. Yeah, I thought we were gonna like maybe dip down even farther. Maybe down to this point. And then pop back up. But I don't really trade Tesla. I was just thinking for maybe a long-term position. But we're still on this very crazy, strong backside trend. So it could still reject this area. 190s, 200, maybe a little over 200. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Overall market making new highs. Crazy strong, man. Crazy strong. So on the year, what's it up on a year? So if you go to 1-1, market is up 14, almost 15%. 15% in 6 months. That's crazy. That's getting into territories where it's not normal. 15% in 6 months. I don't think we're going to get another 16%. If we get another 15% move for the next 6 months, that's a 30% move on the year. Like, that's starting to get into, like, that's starting to become suspect. You know, like, are 30% a year moves, like, the new normal? Because, like, the past, also 2023 was, like, again, 2023 was a 30% year as well. We're just gonna have like 30% years now. It's like absolutely insane. STSS, let's take a look at that again. Breaking back below the 200 EMA. 5 minutes, 5 minute, breaking below the 90 EMA and the 5 minute too. So hopefully we find some support. I'd hate to see this come all the way back down. We need to hold this previous high. We need to hold this here. I do not want it to give back too much off the highs. BRTX, you guys are saying break $2. Looking good here. Break at $2 up to 210. Increasing volume here. 660,000, so pretty decent actually. Hopefully we can sustain that level of volume, but it looks like it's already decreasing. Let's see the spread here. Winston spread. Okay. $200 EMA on this one, 179, so we're over to 200. Interesting day down here. This must have been an offering. Maybe we can fill the gap up to 3. Maybe up to 310. I don't know. Let's see if we can hold this this trend here. above $2 and then curl up and continue higher. So far, it seems like a pretty slow day, but we'll see. Some days are slow pre-market, and some days at the open, even though it's a slow pre-market, it's like super hot. You never really know what you're gonna get. Never really know what you're gonna get. Looking good. Still holding. STSS bouncing a little bit off of this previous high. Do not want to see it any lower. I need to see it start curling up here into the open. BRTX testing 212, 213. We can see another influx of volume. So far, volume is decreasing here. I want to see all these candles, like for these volume candles, all the way up here. Like I want to see them all up here. STSS, BRT. So BRTX is now the leading gap. We're up 52%. This one we said, yeah, the news was on a license with a regenerative medicine firm. And the float was saying BRTX. Float was saying 7.17 million share float. So nice low float. Nice low float. So looks like STSS is making new lows here. Looks like BRTX is taking center stage for the open. So maybe I shift my expectations from STSS to BRTX here for the open. And that's how fast things can change. STSS, I thought this would be the one here back in here, but we're failing to hold support and we're fading into the open. So looking like a bearish open. Maybe we can see a red to green at some point today and a curl to the highs. We do have 7 minutes left for the open, so we do have time if we do want to start to curl. I do see some green coming in on the tape, but volume's got to be high. Volume's got to be high to reverse here. Like some more green on the tape, still only 42 cents. BRTX. BRTX holding the upper end of that channel, which is good. We're going to see a continuation. We're going to start pulling away here at the open. I want to see a nice pull away. I do not want to see it come back down. If it comes back down, longs will be stopping out, likely coming down here to probably break the low end of this candle, or the low end of the trend, I mean. We break back below, longs could be trapped, stopping out here to about maybe 180, 185. So hopefully we hold this. We got to hold this up here and then squeeze through 213. So as you guys are tuning into your own trading, make sure you drop that like button and consider subscribing if you're new. Love to have you part of the community. Today, looking pretty slow. Leading gap are only 54%. So Gotta adjust your expectations. But always be prepared because you never really know when the next hot stock will come. Could be today, or today could be slow. But we've seen days where, you know, pre-market was super slow, and then at the open there's just like something just comes out of nowhere, hundreds of percents. But so far 50% move here on BRTX. But it looks decent that we could potentially get something bigger. Looks decent. Closing near highs, or I mean, opening near highs at the open. Opening near highs on the day, which is good. Over to 200 EMA daily chart. Maybe room up to 3. Fill the gap. So we'll see. STSS curling up here to VWAP. We're going to break VWAP. Gotta break VWAP. 5-minute bottoming tail here, bottoming wick, hammer candle. That's the hammer candle. Bullish here on the 5 for the reversal. Are we going to see it? Are we going to see it? STSS maybe, but I'm going to be looking here BRTX at the open. Nice flag here. Nice little flag here. All right, so you guys know the drill. Stay calm, cool, and collected. Let's follow our rules today. Let's not hold and hope these crappy stocks. G the Green Trader, peace. Good luck, guys. Catch you guys on the recap. Make sure you drop that like button on the way out. Consider subscribing if you're new. Love to have you part of the community. Catch you guys later. Peace. Good luck.